Hi, my name is Stella, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about PuriBreeze Produce Cleaner, how it works, the benefits, and why so many families are adding it to their kitchens. If you've ever wondered whether simply rinsing your fruits and vegetables under running water is really enough to remove pesticides, wax, bacteria, and hidden dirt, stay with me for a moment. Before we go any further, let me make one small, honest agreement with you. If at the end of this video you don't feel PuriBreeze Produce Cleaner is right for you, just say no. No pressure at all. But if you do like what you see and it makes sense for your routine and your budget, let's agree you'll take action today instead of putting it off. Fair deal? So, what is PuriBreeze Produce Cleaner? And why are so many people making it part of their daily food preparation routine? PuriBreeze Produce Cleaner is an innovative food cleaning device designed to help remove pesticide residues, surface bacteria, wax coatings, and invisible dirt from fruits and vegetables using only water and advanced cleaning technology. Its cleaning process is powered by carefully engineered features such as OH ion electrolysis, oxygen-rich microbubbles, a chemical-free system, waterproof IPX7 construction, and a cordless rechargeable design. Instead of relying on vinegar, sprays, or harsh cleaning products, PuriBreeze transforms ordinary water into a powerful cleaning solution that reaches deep into tiny crevices where simple rinsing can't. Each unit is manufactured under strict quality standards and built for safe, reliable, everyday use, so you can feel confident every time you prepare fresh food. Thousands of families have already made PuriBreeze part of their kitchen routine, and many say they enjoy greater peace of mind knowing their produce receives a deeper clean. Of course, every household is different. Many people notice the difference after the very first cleaning cycle, seeing cloudy water and feeling their fruits and vegetables look fresher and cleaner. With regular use, it simply becomes an easy habit before every meal. What impressed me the most wasn't just how simple it was the confidence of knowing my family's food was getting a deeper clean than water alone could provide. Preparing fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens became quick, effortless, and much more reassuring. There was no complicated process, just one button, 5 minutes, and clean food ready to enjoy. That's why PuriBreeze Produce Cleaner comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You're not asked to believe promises, you simply experience the results for yourself. I made this video for one simple reason: to share a product that made food preparation easier and gave me greater confidence in the meals I serve every day. And because when a product becomes popular, low quality imitations quickly appear, which is why it's important to be careful where you buy it. If you decide to try PuriBreeze Produce Cleaner, simply follow the instructions, use it consistently with your fresh produce, and let its advanced cleaning technology do the work. Every device is produced under strict quality controls and carefully tested for performance, durability, and safety. Keeping your food cleaner starts with better preparation, not with harsh chemicals or complicated routines. That's why so many families continue using PuriBreeze Produce Cleaner as part of their everyday kitchen routine. If this sounds like something your family could benefit from, the official link is right below this video, in the description, and the first pinned comment. Take this simple step toward cleaner, fresher fruits and vegetables and enjoy greater peace of mind every time you prepare a meal.